In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake Bitcoin on KuCoin or how you can earn new Bitcoin on complete autopilot. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So KuCoin has a special offer that is offering 53% APY for Bitcoin. So to claim it, we just need to click earn and then simple earn right here, which is very similar to staking. As you can see right here, you will deposit and withdraw tokens at any time and you will earn stable returns. So if we go here and search for Bitcoin, we will see the different options available. If you're a new user, you will probably have some more options with special boosts. Like this one right here, as you can see, it has a 53% APY and this is really good. So if you click subscribe, you can put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to deposit here. For example, let's say we want to stake 1 Bitcoin and they will be giving you these earnings every day. So this coin is right now worth more than $4, which means that if you stake 1 Bitcoin, you will be earning more than $100 every day. And the best part is that this is passive income. You don't need to do anything. You just need to click subscribe and you will be generating this new coin which you can withdraw and sell at any time. And after that, just withdraw it to your wallet or transfer it to your bank account or whatever you want. So that's it. That's how you can get a 53% APY on your Bitcoin using KuCoin. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.